How to design a track lighting layout. Thanks for stopping by. We specialize in all types of commercial lighting projects, and we can fit a system into almost any space. The purpose of this video is to help you make a quick and simple layout for your track lighting system, either by drawing it yourself or drawing your track lighting over an existing floor plan, like this customer did here. We're going to look at both methods. Like they say, a picture is worth 1,000 words. The best way is to just draw your project on a clean piece of paper. Get a ruler and a black pen out, just as we are doing here. Draw in any special details as needed. As we designed this space, we added some important dimensions. You can see the space overall is 32 feet by 24 feet. We put in the doors, storage, and bathroom, as these inner spaces are very important and will affect the lighting plan. In today's example, we know the ceiling is 9 feet. In order to get the correct lighting angle for the product on the walls, we want the track to be about 3.5 to 4 feet out. Your space may be different, but we need to get your specific details and vision right up front. Track lighting is always custom. In this drawing, we designed the track lighting for a standard retail space. We took into account the location of the cash wrap and will make provisions for that. And we added lighting in the middle of the space to highlight products there. Good, bright, specular lighting is a must to make the space interesting. Also, you need to have some general lighting in your space. It's important. But today, we're just focused on the track lighting. We have noted the track lighting on the drawing. Each track run has a specific length. Make sure you indicate that, as we have here. It is important so we know what to provide. We need to ensure the electric power gets to the track runs. Your ceiling may be open, a drop ceiling, new construction, steel trusses, or even a suspended system. Indicate where you think the power will enter the track. Your electrician will surely have a lot of input on this. For this project, I've added some power feeds. I have some that enter the end of the track, 2 that are floating, and can be located at most anywhere along the track run, and 1 where the power comes in the corner. Note on your drawing where you would like the power to enter the track. We're not looking for perfection. Here's the actual drawing I sent to our video editor to make this video. You'll see how simple it really is. Try to avoid colors, as we will print out your drawing and give it to our quotation manager. We recommend that you start with our 7 easy steps. Do that process first. Then draw and attach your drawing to that form and send it over. You will like how the 7 easy steps help make the drawing processes actually easier to do. We also offer a priority service where you will have the direct input of our head product manager. He oversees all the large commercial track lighting projects, complicated projects, and projects where the customers need a higher level of service. It is optional, but we've seen huge savings for the customers when someone with advanced experience helps with the project. It's up to you, of course. If you are an electrical engineer or architect, we're happy to work with you. We do track lighting all day and have learned our way around all kinds of projects all over the world. Most projects are turned around in 24 hours or less and can ship the next day if needed. Let us help you do it right the first time and bring your project in on budget and on time. We're a small family business and hope that no matter where you shop, you consider buying from a small business. We are Total Lighting Supply, and we know lighting. We've been doing it for 30 years plus. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions on our products, please feel free to ask us. Use this email address for quick communication: support@totallightingsupply.com. We answer product questions all day long, Monday through Friday. However, if you ask questions on YouTube, it may be some time before we see it. Our videos are designed as an overview of our products, and we recommend hiring a qualified electrician for your project to ensure a safe installation. And as always, see the description for links to our website. See the product description on our website for important details, as well as updates and specifications. Also, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any new product information. We offer information, such as this video, and a level of service you will not find anywhere else. Consider using us for your project needs. All of us at Total Lighting Supply hope to hear from you soon.